Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your device and credentials. Make sure the Vanguard app is updated or you are using a modern browser. Once done, enable system notifications in iOS, Android, or Windows so alerts can arrive. Now sign in with your username and password, then complete two-factor authentication when prompted to confirm it is you. This ensures you can access account features and that the notification center will accept alerts tied to your verified account. After signing in, go straight to the menu or your profile icon and open Account or Settings. This is where notification controls live. Then select Notifications or Alert Preferences. The label may differ by app version, and review the list of event types like trade confirmations, statements, or security alerts. Make specific channel choices. Enable push for immediate mobile alerts, enable email for records, and add a phone number for SMS. Once you've set your preferences, tap Save or Apply and wait for the confirmation message so you know the settings took effect. Next, send a test alert if available or trigger a low-impact notification like a statement update to confirm delivery. If you do not receive it, make sure app push permissions are enabled, check email spam folders, and verify the phone number shown. If problems persist, log out and back in or reinstall the app to clear cached permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.